Welcome back to Unpack English. Today, we're diving into a super useful skill: how to take a screenshot. Whether you're on a Windows PC, a Mac, or a Chromebook, I am going to show you the quickest and easiest ways to capture what's on your screen. A screenshot is simply a picture of your screen, perfect for saving information, sharing something funny, or getting tech support. It's an essential digital skill, so let's get started and make you a screenshot pro. First up, let's talk about Windows. If you want to capture your entire screen, it's incredibly simple. Just press the Windows key and the print screen key at the same time. You'll see your screen flash for a second, which means it worked. The screenshot is automatically saved for you in your Pictures folder, inside a subfolder called Screenshots. Easy, right? But what if you don't want the whole screen? Maybe you just want to capture a specific window or a small section. For that, Windows has another great shortcut. Press the Windows key, the Shift key, and the S key all together. Your screen will dim and your cursor will turn into a crosshair. Now, just click and drag to select the exact area you want to capture. Once you let go, the image is copied to your clipboard. You can then paste it directly into an email, a document, or a chat message using Ctrl+V. It's super efficient for sharing specific information without all the extra clutter. Now, let's switch gears and head over to the Mac. Apple makes this just as straightforward. To take a screenshot of your entire screen, you'll use the key combination command, Shift, and the number 3. Press them all at once, and you'll hear a camera shutter sound. A small thumbnail of the screenshot will appear in the corner of your screen for a few moments, and then it will save directly to your desktop. You can't miss it. But just like with Windows, sometimes you only need a piece of the screen. For a selected area screenshot on a Mac, the shortcut is Command, Shift, and the number 4. Your cursor will change into a crosshair with coordinates. Click and drag to draw a box around the part of the screen you want to capture. When you release the mouse button, poof! The screenshot of that selected area is saved to your desktop, ready to be used. It gives you precise control over what you save. Finally, let's cover Chromebooks, which are becoming more and more popular. Taking a screenshot on a Chromebook is also a breeze. To capture the full screen, you'll press the Ctrl key and the Show Windows key. The Show Windows key is usually in the top row of the keyboard, and it looks like a rectangle with 2 vertical lines on the right side. Once you press them, you'll get a notification that the screenshot has been captured, and it's saved in your Downloads folder. Now, what about capturing just a portion of the screen? You guessed it, there's a shortcut for that too. Press Ctrl, Shift, and the Show Windows key all at the same time. This will bring up a selection tool. You can then click and drag to highlight the area you want to save. Once you release the mouse, the partial screenshot is saved to your Downloads folder. And there you have it. Those are the essential shortcuts for taking screenshots on Windows, Mac, and Chromebook. Simple, fast, and incredibly useful for work, school, or just for fun. Mastering these little tricks can really speed up your workflow and make sharing information so much easier. I hope this quick guide was helpful for you. If you learned something new today, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and follow Unpack English for more awesome tech and English tips. Remember, study smart, not hard. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.